Hi, my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems, and I'd like to start this series with helping you find products for sublimation that have high demand and low competition on Etsy. I use a software called eRank, and in this series, I hope to show you products that we can sublimate to compete against print-on-demand companies and hopefully make your shop a success. The first product I'd like to feature is the Hotel Motel Keychain. I log into my eRank, and then I will type here in the keyword research bar, Hotel Keychain. Once I hit enter, it brings up this data. First, I like to look at the keyword statistics. So this has good search volume, it has a good click-through rate, and has low competition. I then like to see if there are trending months when this item peaks. It looks like there are a few peaks and valleys here. January, I'm sure that has to do probably with Valentine's Day. Then we come into the summer, maybe travel, Airbnb, those type of things. And then of course in Q4. I then will scroll down and see if there are any other keywords that I could potentially use for this product. Remember, there are 13 tags that you can use when making your Etsy listing. So I don't see any additional keywords that I want to write down, so I will hit Analyze. Analyze brings you back to the same key statistics and trends, but we're going to get a little bit deeper into the product research for this item. While it's loading, it's going to tell us the average price. Here's $10. It's also going to show how many views. I really like this most popular tags cloud here. It has retro keychain, hotel keychain, motel keychain, vintage keychain. If you scroll down a little further, it will show you what other tags you could possibly use for this product. So I see here, though I started with hotel keychain, it looks like the word motel keychain is more popular. So hotel keychain only has 1,300 searches and motel keychain has 3,100. So though I would add both to my listing, it shows you that doing your research is very important. You want to make sure that the tags and keywords that you're using, people are searching for. So I scroll down, see if there's any other keywords that I want to add to my listing. I keep going till I get to the number one product. So here, this lists 1 through 50 of the top ranking product for our keyword here, Motel Keychain. Now you may notice this first one is not a keychain at all. It is a PDF pattern. The second one here is in fact a keychain, and it looks like it's a mold maybe. So I'm gonna look at this third one. It most resembles what I would like to sell. I'm going to click directly on the listing to get a little bit more information about this listing. So this listing has a 91% visibility. It's been listed for 433 days. You can see they have 73 available. And we can come down and see what keywords they are ranking for. So they have gift for him, high competition. Gift for him, high competition. Hotel keychain, key holder. So those two right there look like they are the active keywords that are driving traffic to this listing. So you can look at these other items. I like to look at their description to see, maybe get an idea of things I need to list in my own description, and then their photos. So here it looks like they only have about 5 photos. You have space for, I think, 10. And so that is how I start my product research for a product. Then I go to Etsy itself. I will type in the word and go through the listings there. So we can see here that these all on the top row are people paying for ads. The next organic one is this one here. It's nice. It has a little video. Looks like it may be vinyl or UV. These as well. So this gives me a good idea of what my competition is and as well as what people are offering. So I don't really see anybody sublimating these. So I think that I could put some cute designs together and really stand out on this page with our keywords, with our sublimation, and our price point. Conde Systems does offer this product. Here's the part number, U60552. The high end's $1.75, the low end's $1.58. So again, we're going to start with eRank. We're going to search our term or our item. We're going to make a list of potential keywords that have high searches, low competition. We're then going to look on Etsy to get more ideas. And then again, our part number is U60552. My name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems. I look forward to working with you. My extension is 211 and my email is sbame@conde.com. See you soon.